Bitcoin price prediction as BTC bounces back above $30,000 resistance, time to buy. Bitcoin BTC saw a second strong bounce from support in the $30,000 area late on Wednesday, with the bulls remaining in control for now. The world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was last trading around $30,500 within this week's ranges as support in the form of the late April/early May. Highs in the $30,000 continues to hold firm. Bitcoin is on the cusp of closing out a strong month, with June's gains currently standing around 12%. That's an impressive recovery given just 2 weeks ago BTC was trading below $25,000 amid concerns about the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC's) increasingly aggressive stance against the U.S. crypto industry. The agency announced new lawsuits against Coinbase and Binance earlier this month, the latest major moves in its quest to bring the crypto industry into compliance via regulation by enforcement. Spurring the strong recovery from earlier monthly lows was the news that BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, had filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF that experts think has a strong chance of being approved. A series of other major financial institutions have followed BlackRock's move, with big names like Fidelity also filing for a spot ETF. If spot Bitcoin ETFs are approved, this should bring a lot of institutional capital that has been waiting on the sidelines into the Bitcoin market, substantially bolstering demand. Bitcoin BTC price prediction time to buy. Bitcoin price predictions remain upbeat for a number of reasons. Firstly, the tailwind of optimism surrounding spot Bitcoin ETFs and institutional adoption is unlikely to fade anytime soon. Moreover, Bitcoin remains resilient to macro headwinds such as rising U.S. bond yields as a result of increasing bets for Fed tightening as U.S. economic data points to stronger than expected growth. Bitcoin also tends to perform well in July, having rallied a double-digit percentage figure 3 years in a row now for the month. Technicals are also supportive of continued upside. Bitcoin's strong bounce from its earlier monthly lows confirmed the 2023 uptrend, and that the 200 DMA remains intact as strong support. Bulls are hoping that BTC will soon pop to the north of recent highs in the $31 balance and push on towards major resistance levels in the $32,500, $33,000, and $34,000 areas. For those looking for assets that can deliver decent near-term gains, Bitcoin could be a good option. But with the cryptocurrency still down 55% from its 2021 record highs in the $69,000 area, Bitcoin is probably better viewed as a long-term asset to buy and hold. If the asset is in the early stages of a new bull market, and if the new bull market does take Bitcoin 3 forks above its prior all-time high in the coming years as happened in 2021, then Bitcoin could eventually reach into the upper $100,000s. That could mean 5-6 gains for investors who buy now. Bitcoin BTC alternatives to consider. While the Bitcoin outlook is strong, investors should always be on the lookout to diversify their crypto holdings. One high-risk, high-reward investment strategy that some investors might want to consider is getting involved in crypto pre-sales. This is where investors buy the tokens of upstart crypto projects to help fund their development. These tokens are nearly always sold very cheap, and there is a long history of pre-sales delivering huge exponential gains to early investors. Many of these projects have fantastic teams behind them and a great vision to deliver a revolutionary crypto application/platform. If an investor can identify such projects, the risk/reward of their pre-sale investment is very good. The team at Crypto News spends a lot of time combing through pre-sale projects to help investors out. Here is a list of 15 of what the project deems as the best crypto pre-sales of 2023. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. This section features insights by crypto industry players and is not a part of the editorial content of cryptonews.com.